Music is so readily accessible, yet people don't realize its benefit in their lives, specifically when it comes to stress management. Listening to music, especially the calmer, soothing one, has a lot of impact on our bodies and minds. It also impacts our physiological functions like heart rate, pulse rate, blood pressure, reducing the stress hormones, and a lot more. Let's know more about this. Before that, hi beautiful minds, I'm Kritika. Welcome to HotTuber family. I make videos on HotTube questions. Please subscribe to my channel. Meditation is renowned for being one of the most popular and effective practices where you can enjoy and partake to reduce your stress levels. Meditation music is readily available. You can meditate, find your present moment irrespective of wherever you are or whatever you are doing. However, if meditation is not your thing, still you can listen to meditation music. It helps you to relax after a long day. If your sleeping pattern is messed up, then either you are not getting sufficient sleep or you are feeling the effects of sleep deprivation. This is so very common. However, listening to music can be the solution you are looking for. If you have trouble in getting sleep, then try listening to quieter, calmer music. There are lots of online playlists and tracks specifically designed to induce better sleep. Try them and reduce your stress levels. Music has always been associated with emotions, and you'll know better than anyone which song on your favorite playlist can make you smile and laugh. Whether it's a sad song, funny song, romantic song, there's a song for every occasion. Just when you're feeling a little stressed out or a bit under the weather, try plugging in your headphones and listening to your favorite music. It will instantly elevate your mood and vanish all the stresses on your mind. Sometimes life can be hard and stressful. Just to unwind, you need to vent out all that stress from your body. Sometimes you won't be in a mood to listen soft, calmer, soothing music. Whether you're a fan of rock music or heavy metal music or dance music or some melodies, just load up those playlists and have a little boogie while dancing at your home. Let go of all that stress from inside. Allow your body and mind to breathe. Whether you're sick or feeling ill, either you're going through physical pain or emotional pain, it is very common in this case to get stressed. Research shows that listening to your favorite music can help to produce antibodies which can boost your immune system. Studies also shows that listening to calmer, quieter music which can stimulate your brain can help to relieve the physical pain to some extent, which in turn helps to reduce your stress. Life is full of ups and downs. Often we find ourselves that we are not in touch with our emotions. Sometimes we feel happy for seemingly no reason. Just as often we find ourselves feeling sad. This detachment from our emotions can cause a lot of confusion and therefore stress, which can have negative impact on our lives. Just when you're feeling out of touch, try listening to different genres of music to understand how you are feeling, which eventually helps you to become in sync with your body and mind. While depression is most common and most crippling of all mental conditions, there's no reason for you to live life this way. Definitely agree that medication and treatment is available to combat these horrible symptoms of depression. But listening to music can be just, if not more effective. Science has proven that listening to certain kinds of music or even attending music therapy classes can greatly reduce your symptoms of depression, allowing you to function as normal with your happy self. Let me know how music has changed your life and how you are using music to reduce your stress levels. And also do post your how to questions. I'll be happy to do videos on them. That's all for the video, guys. Bye. Take care. Have a stress